Welcome back, everybody. So, guys, in this class, what we were just talking about the canvas, as we just discussed about in a previous class, in the introduction class of this section. So, what are the canvas? You know about the canvas that this is HTML5's element, which uses the JavaScript to perform anything, to make objects, to make images, to make actually canvas. What is the actual meaning of canvas? Painting. So, by using the canvas, we can paint something. So now I'm just gonna start working on a canvas from this class. So first of all, what we just need to design the complete HTML, the HTML document to work on a canvas. HTML, and it going fine. I'm just going inside the HTML tags and the head tag. Okay, after the head tag, the body one, make it, cover it, go to the head one, make the title, cover it. Come on, title's done. Now I'm just going to the body one, just making another div here, and it's fine. Now here I'm just typing HTML5 canvas. Okay, that's awesome. I'm just going there in HTML5 canvas area, and what I'm just doing here, I'm just typing something like hello world. We're making the canvas. I need to check that it's working or not. Just that's why I just typed this sentence, the hello world, we're making the canvas. So where you need to go, we need to go to the folder, and there is a folder. Double click on a file, and we are there to the hello world. We are making the canvas. So by the way, going back to the notepad, and what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna apply the the script tag, the JavaScript. We just talked about the JavaScript already, so you know the basic things about the JavaScript which we need to do, and other things are the canvas parts. The canvas is not typical or anything else, so here I'm just making the script for the canvas. I can make this script in a body area too, but no matter if I just make it there, because in a body I'm just gonna call the element. So go inside the script. Well, the very important element is the canvas tag itself. The canvas, cover that, and now the canvas, this is the HTML5 element, and now I'm just gonna make the canvas first, then I'll just go to the script one. We have to make an ID here, and in the ID I'm just typing the canvas one. Okay, then just add a space, and but I'm just gonna type the width. I'm just putting the 200 pixels here, and the height also 200 pixels here, and also I'm just adding the border, or why not I just directly use this style tag, style attribute, and the width I'm just putting as 200 pixels, the height I'm just putting as the 200 pixels again, and I'm just putting the border 2 and 2 pixels solid, and the black one, the black color. Save, go to the browser and refresh the page. I got the big block, not a very big block, but actually it's a block, so it's actually looking fine. We just made a canvas here. Now we just need to fill the colors inside this canvas. I'm just going to the top one, to the script, to fill the colors in the canvas. First of all, we just need to get this canvas inside the script tag. So how we're going to get that? Make a variable. I'm just typing the canvas or the C1. You can use any word as a variable, and this variable will have the canvas. So C1 equal to document.getElement by ID. What is this document.getElement by ID? We just talk about the document.getElement by ID from the JavaScript. So it's actually the JavaScript object. The document is the object, and this is the property of this document to get any element from the document. This is the whole thing. Actually, the whole thing is a document. So I'm just selecting the element by its ID. So I'm just going to select this canvas by its ID. We just talk about this thing a lot more in a JavaScript. So if you just have any other issue about this element, so you have to check out the JavaScript section again. That's cool. I'm going inside, and I'm just typing here the canvas one. Spelling must be clear. Canvas one. Now save. What the next step I'm just going to do, we just got that the canvas one element here by the name of the C1. I'm just pressing enter. I'm just making another variable, and here I'm just typing C1 X. The mean of X is actually context. You can type anything. Actually, here we are just making that C1. Okay, now you know that this C1 is what? This C1 is actually the canvas tag, which is inside the body element. So I'm just making it the 2D element here. So now space C1 dot get context. This is a method to make the elements 2D. Now 2D. So basically what is this? This C1, that C1 which has the document that dot get element by ID canvas 1 has became 2D from now. Okay, because I just use this get context function here, and I just saved this making it 2D into C1X. Okay, that's awesome. Just press enter again, and now I'm just gonna apply some styles. C1X means the form of the C1 which has the 2D context, and now I'm just applying the fill style. This is actually the new element of the JavaScript. uh, this is special for the HTML5. Okay, just put the fill style. For example, I'm just putting here the orange. I can put any color, whatever you want. Orange is not bad. You can use the hexa numbers. Well, after that I'm just going to use another element, the C to the CX. Oh, there I'm just doing a mistake. This is not like that. Put a point. Basically I'm not assigning this fill style to this C1X. I'm just attesting that now it's actually, now the C1X has the property of the fill style too, and it has the C1 which has the get context 2D. So now again I'm just applying some more things to the C1X dot rect. I'm just applying something on rectangle. In other words, I'm just making the rectangle fill rect. Again, put the parentheses and go there and put 0 0 0 0. Add a comma between all these zeros. And what is the mean of that? Basically I'm just going to go down to clarify that what these 0 can do. So here C1X dot fill rect. Okay, now the first 0 is to make this space. Actually what I'm just doing, first of all I just need to clear this fill rect. This is to make a rectangle. Okay, so we're just making a rectangle, and this is a color. We just chose the orange for that rectangle. Okay, or basically we're just putting the color of orange to that C1, and we're just making a rectangle inside the C1. So this color goes to this rectangle. Now the top, the left, okay, top and left, height and width. From the top I just want 0, from the left I just want 0, the height I just want as 100, the width I just want as 100. Now save here. I'm just typing top, left, height, width. Logic is cleared. Means if I just put 10 here, so the rectangle will be will have the margin from the top, 10 pixels margin from the top. If I just put the 10 pixels there on a second 0, so it will get, the rectangle will get the margin from of 10 pixels from the left. In the same way, we just put the height of 100 pixels and 100 pixels of width. So go to the browser and refresh the page. Now nothing. That means go back and find out the reason. And the reason is really simple. Why it's not visible there, just cut that off and paste after the element. And now go to the browser and refresh, and now I got the element. Well, something more we need to change. This will be the width and this is the height. Save. Now the third value is the width, so I'm just increasing it to 200. Save, and now go to the browser and refresh. It increased to the 200. Okay, this third value is again the width, and the fourth value is height. So if I just type here the 150, so refresh that, now you can see that it just growed up. In this way it's working. And the second important thing is this one is left and that one is top. I just rotated the things actually by the way. The left, top, width and height. So if I just want to put 10 to the left, 10 points to the left, refresh that, I got a 10 one. If I just want 50, so save and now refresh that, I got the 50 from there. So in this way we can just move the elements. If I just put this 100 back and refresh that, now if I just put the 10 here, so refresh that, now you can see that the element is going down because I'm just putting 10 points to the top. So guys, I think you just understood these things. In the next class we'll talk about more. Stay tuned and goodbye.